13 after 6, and we started the weather information zone, the whizometer. A lot of people asked us, what is that? And Chesley's got a good answer this morning.
Yeah, you know, the whizometer is the way we rate the weather on a scale from 1 to 11, with 11 being the most perfect day. We try to explain that every now and again, but every now and again you run into folks that say, this whizometer thing just isn't working. Well, I ran into a guy who came up with his own equation for the whizometer. See if you can understand it.
Then the equation is that delta Q is equal to MLF.
Meet Dr. Philip Patterson.
That means then if delta T, if the temperature is increasing, that means then the amount of heat energy also has to increase.
Can you tell he's a numbers guy?
So you know how far it is from here to work, from here to home, I mean?
5.9 miles from the parking area to my front door. 5.9 miles.
You even know your gas mileage.
My gas mileage is 33 miles per gallon on the highway and 23 miles per gallon in the city.
Dr. Phil has been dealing with numbers his whole life.
I began to like math when I was in high school. You know, I had very good math teachers in high school, and it just kind of evolved from there.
Now, being a numbers guy, you would think he'd love the whizometer, but his first impression was that the numbers just didn't add up.
You know, I wasn't real sure where you were coming from with this whizometer. But now, you know, since it's predicting that we're going to have nice, warm, steamy weather, which I like, I think that's pretty good. I like the whizometer.
So Dr. Patterson came up with his own equation for the whizometer.
It's going to result in a long equation. That is then MC delta T, which I'll call that the first one, plus MLF, we'll call that the second one, plus MC delta T, that's the third one, plus MLV, that's the fourth one, plus MC delta T, that's the fifth one.
Yeah, see now, you know, that's, you got us, the brain thing, you know, going there, you know. Come on in, step in a little bit here. Okay. Now we have Dr. Philip Patterson right here from Southern Polytech, and he's going to actually do the whizometer, maybe impress your students a little bit. Okay. You like the hot weather though, right?
Love the hot weather.
Really?
Love the hot weather.
That's because originally you're from?
I'm from Gary, Indiana.
Oh, so the snow piled up
Hoosiers,
there.
that's right. 3-foot snowdrifts.
So you don't complain about the heat?
Not at all.
All right, so go ahead and take it away. Do the whizometer for us.
Good morning, Atlanta. The low is going to be 72 degrees today. We're going to have a high of 94 degrees, and we've got a 40% chance of rain with a 7 on the whizometer today.
There you go. So not bad. Now, how would you rate today?
I'd rate today probably at about a 5. It's a little bit too cold for me.
Really? Whoa, 94 is too cold for you.
Well, I like it to be a little bit warmer.
Really? Yeah. So our average high at this time of year would be around 90, so you like it warmer. Okay.
I like it warmer.
I'm going to bring you back for the 5-day forecast, all right? All right. Let's take it away. Like it a little bit warmer. Can you believe that? Showers and thunderstorms. Come on back in real quick here, Dr. Philip Patterson, and take us away with the 5-day forecast and then toss it to traffic.
Okay, thanks, Chesley. On Saturday, we're going to have a high of 91 and a low of 74 with a 30% chance of rain. And then on Sunday, we're going to have a high of 93 with a low of 74 with a 30% chance of rain as well. And then on Monday, there's a 73 degree low and then a 92 high. And then,
yeah.
And so
toss it to traffic.
Then we're going to toss it to traffic to Jim Basile.
All right.